How to unblock someone on Snapchat but they disappeared. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to find out how we can unblock someone on Snapchat but they have disappeared. So let's just go ahead and find out. For that, go ahead at the top left corner of your screen, and once you are here, your profile appears. So the next thing you can do is go to the settings at the top right corner, and then go to the section called blocked users. So when you go to the blocked users, and if you have unblocked someone on Snapchat but they've disappeared, it means they have likely deleted their Snapchat account after you blocked them. So you can't re-establish contact as they are no longer on the platform. Unblocking them will not have effect as they are not accessible. So here is why that happens. So when someone deletes their Snapchat account, they are completely removed from this app, including from your block list. So even if you unblock them, you can't see their snaps or messages if they have privacy settings preventing it. So what you can do is try to search for the username instead at the top and see if they're still active on Snapchat or not. Otherwise, if you need to really contact them, you can consider using other communication methods like text messages, email, or social media platforms where they might be active. So that is it. For now, someone has disappeared after we unblocked them. It means they have probably deleted their account. So that is it for now. You can use the information for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.